Hi everybody. So this week we're going to be talking about inscribed angles. I know that a lot of you have requested me to make a video for you, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, these are going to be your notes for the week, so you have to make sure that you watch this video and keep tabs, okay? So I'm going to give you the notes that we would in class. So here would be like the notes per se, and we're going to go over these together. So an inscribed angle is an angle with its vertex on the circle. And the two sides are sides that we call chords, because remember, chords do not go through the center. An intercepted arc is the arc that lies between the end point of an inscribed circle. So, I mean, of an inscribed angle. So remember, here's the angle. So here would be the arc. Remember, the arc is in between A and C. Okay. So the measure this time, it's not the same as the central. The measure of the inscribed angle is equal to 1/2 the measure of the arc. So the most important thing to remember, angle is equal half arc. So this is going to be your most important formula. Okay. So now let's talk about if we have a diameter. So a diameter BC, we have the inscribed angle BAC. Okay, here's your inscribed angle. Now, if we're intersecting a diameter, remember how many degrees would that make on the circle? Good, that would be 180. So if the angle is half that, then what kind of angle would it be? Half of 180. So it would be a right angle that's equal to 90. This only happens when we intercept a diameter. Okay? And if two inscribed angles, now I'm not going to be able to use my pointer to help you. If two inscribed angles intersect the same arc, then the angles are congruent. Now, think about it. This makes sense because it is the same, and we know if things are the same, we say that they are congruent. So, ABD will be equal to ACD. Now let's go on to some practice examples. So, the measure... Sorry, I shouldn't have said that. Number 1. Now, the most important thing to remember is the angle equals 1/2 the arc. Now, is 62 degrees referring to the angle or to the arc? Referring to the arc. So x equals 1/2 times 62 would be the equation. So x is equal to 31 degrees. Now let's move on to another one. Number 4. Now, is this angle intercepting the diameter? No. Good. Now, what is the most important thing that I have to remember? What's my formula? Angle equals 1/2 arc. Now, is 47 referring to the angle or to the arc? It's referring to the angle, so we have 47 equals 1/2 arc. Now, how do I move the 1/2 to the other side? Multiply it by 2. So we have 94. Okay, 3 problems left. Now, in this problem, they want us to figure out JKL. What is the measure of angle JKL? Well, in order to figure that out, I would need this arc, JML. But I don't have that. Now, is there a way I can figure that out using 65 and 53? Well, I can subtract it from 360 because I'm using the entire circle. So 60 minus 65 minus 53 equals 242. Now remember, my most important thing again is angle equals 1/2 arc. So this arc is JML and it's equal to 242, which means this arc would be equal to 121. All right, number 7. I know these numbers are out of order. It's because I'm taking it from your notes, and you'll do the other problems tomorrow. So we have 158, and we have 8x minus 9. Now, 8x minus 9 is referring to the angle. 158 is referring to the arc. So if we were setting up my equation, it would look like so. And then I want you to go ahead and solve this. Okay, so 1/2 of 158 is 79. I add 9 to both sides. So x is equal to 11. All right, last one. Number 8. So we have 67 degrees and we have 4x plus 58. My most important thing to remember is angle equals 1/2 the arc. So the equation will look like so. Now, what am I going to do with the 1/2? Good, distribute it. So I have 67 equals 2x plus 29. Subtract the 29, divide by 2, and x is equal to 19. Now, that is what I have for you on INSCRIBED angles. If you have questions, please reach out to me. I hope you're all staying healthy. I know some of you have expressed missing school. I miss you guys too. And hopefully I'll see you soon.